After the disappointing Google Pixel 4 series, will Google make comeback with the Pixel 5 series? Let's talk about that. Hello and welcome to Empty Pocket Tech. In 2019 October, Google announced the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, which was the most disappointing phone of the year, for many reasons. Before the release, the device was leaked months ago. Google Pixel series was famous for its unbelievable camera, but the consumers won't buy a phone just for a camera and lack specification. The reason why Pixel 4 failed. 1. The display. Other manufacturers were trying to narrow the bezel on the display. But Google released a phone with a large bezel and massive chin and gigantic forehead which houses the Project Soil. Yes, the display was 90Hz, but there was a bug also. 90Hz was under the shadow because of the large bezel. 2. Project Soil, a feature that wasn't asked and it wasn't ready. And really it wasn't needed. Hand gesture is a gimmicky feature, it didn't work every time, as you can see on MKBHD's video. So it was useless that they would replace the large forehead with a punch hole camera, which could have been better in my opinion. 3. Battery and storage, both were smaller than anticipated. 4. The price was too high. Honorable mention. The back camera looks like a face. So you've been watching videos on YouTube, why don't you subscribe to my channel? I'm an old techie but new on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, comment down below. Thank you. Continuing with the video. With all of this problem, Pixel 4 didn't see the success that Google wanted to see. Last year's Pixel 3a was a great success for Google. There was no way that Google won't continue the A series. The Pixel 4a was supposed to be released in May, but due to the coronavirus pandemic it has been postponed to June. Check out my video on Pixel 4a. It's May and we've started to see leaks and rumors about Pixel 5. There are rumors that Pixel 5 will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 or a 700 series chipset, which is a bit surprising, cause Pixel has always used 800 series chipsets. With the mid-range chipset, everyone is guessing that the price will be low. Rumors are saying it will start at $699. What do you think? Comment down below. And there will be 3 camera on the back, and another face-looking camera bump. There are rumors that Google will drop the Project Soil or hand gesture, which is good to hear. So we can hope for a lesser bezel display. But there is a lot of time before Google releases the Pixel 5 series. Rumors are telling that it will be announced this fall. What are your thoughts on Pixel 5? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, a sub will appreciate. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.